Hello students, it's Standard going to start chapter 20 circles. Firstly, for this chapter, I will tell you some basic concepts. The first one is circle. What is circle? In loose language, we can say circle is a closed figure. It is a closed figure and whose every point is at equal distance from center. Now what is circle? Circle is a closed figure and collection of points. Suppose there are some points. So when we collect all these points, it is a closed figure and it's known as circle. And we will collect this point by standing or by having a fixed point inside it. This is known as center. And these all points, any point on the circle, will be at same distance from this. If you measure distance of these two, distance of any points, these all difference distance will be equal. Now next is center. What is center? See, center is a fixed point that lies where it lies, that lies inside the circle. And one more thing, and distance of all the points on the circle is same from the center. Next I will tell you radius. What is radius? Suppose any circle is there and its center is there. Suppose center is O. Take any point on the circle. Suppose this is the point on the circle. Then distance from the center to this point is known as radius. So radius means distance from center to any point on circle. You can take point anywhere. I can take a point here. So this distance is known as its radius. I can take point anywhere. I can take here. This distance is known as radius. Radius is distance from center to one point, any one end point. Now next is diameter. Suppose a circle is there. This is the center. And diameter is distance of two end points and this must be passed from the center. When you will join two end points and it should be passed from the center, then this distance is known as diameter. The condition is your line of both end points should be passed from the center. Two end points. These are two end points. And it must be passed from your center. Then only you can say it is the diameter. Now next is chord. When you join any two end points of circle, this is the center, suppose this is O. You have to join any 2 points on the circle. I joined this point, this is chord. I joined these 2 points on the circle. This is also a chord. I joined these 2 points on the circle, also a chord. But when your chord will pass from the center, when your 2 end points will pass from the center, then it will become diameter. If it is not passing from the center, then it is chord. Or you can say diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Next is interior and exterior of circle. It is clear from name. Interior, in means inside. So the region inside the circle is known as interior of circle, and the portion outside the circle is known as exterior of the circle. Now come to next one is circumference. What is circumference? Circumference means perimeter. The definition of perimeter you have learned many times. It is the distance along the boundary. Suppose this is circle. You have to cover its boundary. I have to take round. I am starting from here, going to this side, 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 again came to same position. So this is the perimeter of circle. It is known as circumference of the circle. This distance along the boundary, along the edges of the circle is known as circumference. Now come to next is circular region. Circular region means, suppose you are having a there is a plane in which a circle is drawn. So circular region means the whole inside the circle and outside the circle. The whole plane is known as circular region, means set of all the points in this plane. Set of all points in the plane, whether they are inside the circle, whether they are outside the circle. Now next is secant. Now secant means, suppose you have a circle, any line that intersect means cut, that intersect a circle at how many points? 2 points. This line is intersecting the circle at how many points? Is cutting the circle at how many points? 2 points. So suppose this line is AB. So this line will be known as secant of the circle. So you will write this is secant AB. Any line that intersect the circle at 2 points, जो circle को 2 points पे cut करती है, it is known as secant, and this secant is LM. Now next one is tangent. This is important. Tangent means any line that intersect the circle at how many points? Only 1 point. Or you can say that touch the circle or that intersect the circle. जो लाइन ओनली 1 पॉइंट पे सर्कल को टच करती है या 1 पॉइंट पे कट करती है, उसको क्या बोलना है आपने? टेंजेंट. सपोज दिस लाइन इज देयर, सो वी विल राइट दिस इज टेंजेंट पी क्यू. ये कहाँ पे टच करती है? इस पॉइंट पे. दिस पॉइंट एनी नेम यू कैन गिव. सपोज आई हैव गिवन नेम ए. So this tangent is PQ. When any line cut at 2 points, this is secant. When it cut or touch at 1 point, जब 1 point पे टच करती है तो उसको टेंजेंट बोलते हैं. जब 2 points पे टच करती है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? secant. Now next is arc, and this has 2 categories further. Firstly, I will tell you arc. Arc means some part of circumference. This whole is circumference. Suppose I have taken only this portion. So So this small portion of the circle is known as arc. Arc means some portion on boundary of circle. Now it has two categories, that is major arc and one is minor arc. What is the meaning of major? Major को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Important. और माइनर को क्या बोलते हैं? माइनर इसको बोलते हैं माइनर सी बात है, मतलब छोटी सी है. तो माइनर मीन्स इफ योर पार्ट इज दिस स्मॉलर पार्ट देन इट विल बी नोन एज माइनर आर्क. एंड जो बच गया है दैट इज लेफ्ट, वो थोड़ा बिग पार्ट है, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? कौन सी आर्क है ये? मेजर आर्क. नेक्स्ट इज सेमी सर्कल. I think you all are familiar with it.